think I'm gonna get down. I want to get down now. Oh, I just had to put my hood on. I think that's like the only plane we saw so far. Are we on the flight app? Dad. Oh no, it's the phone on my shirt. I forgot. I didn't get the plane because I forgot to unpause it.
Texas, is it on down?
It's on the east side.
Okay, I used to haul horses up there, tow them all the time, so. They changed something back here, didn't they?
There he is, taxiing to the gate. I didn't get his landing because I forgot it was paused. Yeah.
He landed over there. That's why he didn't get his landing, he just got him coming in.
Yeah. It's a little bit hard to see because of the hill. Any more planes on your phone? Any big ones? Yeah, that little one. He's right there. The little one over there.
Let's see here. There's another one, looks like he's ready to land. Another one gonna come in.
Yeah.
Land this way, coming down this way.
This way?
This way.
This way?
Right there.
Alright guys, we got a plane coming in, so well, we're gonna have to wait here. He might be circling for permission because we already got one plane he was taxiing.
You got a big one, so it's still trying to circle to land too. I think you can ready to land.
Yeah.
If you want to, I can take him out on the ramp and he can hop the plane.
Are you sure?
Wait.
You want to do that? Look at the plane?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go do it. Let me roll my windows up here, bud.
Do you mind if I record for my YouTube channel? Am I just gonna be able to like explore it?
Yeah.
Cause I've never been on a plane before.
Oh, really?
I've only seen it like in the videos.
My dad looked at me years ago, man.
Oh,
Jetson. Small plane.
That's just a little plane. There. I even saw this little plane engine that's a fan on Amazon. That's some little planes right there.
The hangar get the keys.
Yeah, good cool, dude. You know, check out some planes.
It might be like these propeller planes over here. Like a
I used
Cessna.
to train at the training center for the fire department. Yeah, I got a lot of friends work at the airport up there with the fire department.
Jeff Johnson.
I know Jeff Johnson. He's actually married in my second wedding.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's got a hangar right over here.
Does he really?
Yeah, he's got a little Cessna 172.
You know, Zach Sloan? He
I've-
flies out here a lot.
Name sounds familiar, but
I have a
He's a cop
question.
out in Scottsdale.
I have a question. Is your plane like a Cessna?
my plane is over there. The last one.
Is that yours?
It's a flying club. That's what I'm flying.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm an instructor over at the flying club, and I'm asleep.
Oh, you're an instructor.
Yeah.
Fantastic. There's Jeff Johnson. He was over the sales fire department for many years. He still preached at church up here, I think.
I
He
think
was on the Lexington fire department for a long time.
I think I know how to open the door. Yeah.
There's a code over the door.
Yeah, you don't know the code, buddy.
No, to the plane.
Oh,
Because I've seen people open
a
them.
new lock on here. Fancy. Change the code.
Ray texting mom.
Yes, sir.
I already knew it because I already knew I was going to do it at some point.
You know if they put a new code on this door, John? They put a new lock on it. Unless I just don't know how to operate it. Oh, I'm pulling the wrong plug.
Dad, let's go. Watch your stuff,
Got
Dad.
our DA-40 in here.
Oh, that's a cool plane right there. It has a pretty big wing too.
Ready to close that door?
You can leave it open.
I
Want a
know
soda or anything?
Oh, no, we're good. Thank you, sir.
I know what part of this. I know what part this is.
What is it?
It's the rudder.
The rudder? What
Yeah.
else do you know?
The engine. Flaps.
That's a cool little plane.
It is not this specific plane, but I did all my training.
I know about the flaps.
I just know GPS.
The right here, the air brake. Oh,
On the ground. Oh, that was doing
How you doing, Bob?
that was cool. That was so nice of him.
Bobby was like the flag, you know, the car back.
She was.
Yeah.
The wingspan on that plane was a little bit big. I mean, the cell phone would have a bigger of this wingspan.
Little wax, you know that little weird guy. He was out here at like midnight or whatever.
I think we have a plane coming in.
Oh, what brought it down?
Dad, I think we have a plane
He had
coming in.
like call the FBO or whoever ops to come like help him let him get figure it out.
Where are we going? Oh. My hand's kind of hurting from how cold.
What's that doing?
No, it's not that. It's because my hands are freezing.
I just feel like
Why?